To order this product, please check the first comment. Our website link is there. Click the link to place your order.
The M8PD provides large capacity for all your charging. This versatile DIY kit lets you build a powerful bank. Easily insert 8 flathead 18650 batteries into the case. The M8PD features an advanced LCD status display screen, conveniently designed with a removable battery compartment. Compact dimension, 172 millimeters high, 80 millimeters wide, 23 millimeters thick. High-quality circuit board with precise spring battery slots. Get efficient 5V 2.0.
For more new and exciting updates about amazing AliExpress deals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay connected with us. Turn on the bell icon.
Build your own 40,000 milliamp-hour power bank with this premium 8x21700 DIY case. High-speed 22.5-watt PD charging ensures your devices power up quickly anywhere. The PDQi version offers 10-watt wireless charging for total cable-free convenience. Smart LCD display provides real-time monitoring of battery and charging status. Integrated flat headlight offers bright illumination for camping and emergencies. Secure battery compartment fits 8 flat-top 21700 cells for maximum capacity. Tool-free detachable design allows easy battery replacement without soldering. Built with premium wear-resistant materials for a sleek and durable finish. Upgrade your power today. Check the link in the first comment to get yours.